Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the chime, so the hourly beep on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see here on the left side, top left corner, we have a small musical sign that signals the fact that the hourly chime is on. So this means that every full hour your watch is going to beep. And I'm pretty sure that many of you want to toggle that option off. So what you want to do is to first be in your home screen where the time and date are being displayed, and you do that by pressing the mode button and going past the third alarm, and then you are going to arrive in your home screen. Here what you want to do is to press and hold the set recall button, and then we are going to press the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. We are going to go past the setting of time and date, and then we are going to arrive right here where we have the chime. As you can see, the chime is on, and if I press the start split button, I'm going to switch between on and off. So in case you want to have it off, I'm going to leave it at off. In case you leave it at on, you can already see the small sign right here that signals it is on. So I'm going to set it at off, and then I'm going to press the set recall button in order to finalize the process. And as you can see, the sign has disappeared, and now the hourly beep or hourly chime is off. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Timex Ironman Triathlon, I'm going to have a full guide link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.